Tableau has ways to customize the organization of dimensions based upon unique needs. One way to do this is by grouping values within a dimension. Let's begin by looking at a data table. We begin by dragging title to rows and then count of orders on the data table. This displays the total count of orders by menu item title. What if we wanted to see the totals for all items that are coffee drinks? We can do this by creating a group. First, right-click on the dimensions title and select Create and then Group. This will bring up the Create Group window. First, we will type a title for our group. Next, we will hold down the Command or Control key and click on each of the different coffee drinks we want included in our group. Once we have selected everything we want, we click on Group, and then give our group a descriptive title. We also click on the checkbox for Include Other to group everything else into a separate group called Other. Tableau now displays our newly created group as a new dimension within the menu table. We can use it by dragging it to rows. Tableau updates our data table. We can now remove title by dragging it away from rows and view the data table with only the values for coffee drinks versus non-coffee drinks. Another very useful feature of Tableau is hierarchies. First, let's create a data table by dragging city and county to rows and count of orders to columns. This displays a data table with each city grouped by its county. We can see here that each county contains several cities. This represents a hierarchy of cities within counties. We can build on this concept to create more detailed and functional hierarchies. To do this, we will go to the Locations table and drag County over States and release. Tableau recognizes that we want to create a hierarchy and will display a window to create the hierarchy by giving it a name. We can also add to our hierarchy by dragging additional dimensions onto the newly created hierarchy. Let's now build a new data table with our hierarchy. First, we drag our hierarchy called Store Location to rows, and next we drag Count of Orders to the data table. This creates a data table that shows the total count of orders based on the highest level of our hierarchy, in this case the state value. We can drill down into our hierarchy by clicking on the plus symbol next to state. This will display county and update our data table to show more detail. We can repeat this step to display city and zip code for even greater detail.